Never have I ever.
Wait, I will give you the questions now. So you knock yourself out.
It's not that hard now. Never have I ever.
Never have I ever.
No, never have
I'm
I
like-
ever. Come on, I'm not like you.
You're not
We've
like
left
me.
Oduduwa a long time ago.
So it's me that's not
Never have I ever.
You know, remember your roots. Remember the days of old. Hey, Stalwart fam.
Hey.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
My name is Faith.
My name is Michael.
And we are
the Stalwart Lovers.
So, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe on your way out. Like this video, drop a lovely comment, tell us what you think. And if you're a returning subscriber, we love you.
Welcome.
You are welcome.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. So this video is about baby stuff. Being new parents, never ever this or that. So
baby edition.
Yes, baby edition.
Or new parent edition.
So just have fun with us.
Yeah, it's a very fun way to get to know, us with regards to baby.
Yeah. So first one, never have I ever fallen asleep while holding the baby.
Of course.
Yeah.
But of course, that's also trying to make sure he sleeps as well.
Yeah, this one is usually on his chest when
Sleeps
this
on my
happens.
chest so much.
Mine is usually maybe nursing when it happens.
Yeah.
Okay.
As I know, get the capacity to
I bet
nurse.
shift. Okay, never have I ever used baby wipes for something other than the baby. Of course, I have.
Me too.
What did you use it for?
Can't remember. Okay, I use it to clean my shoes. I think I was going out.
I think I've used it to maybe wipe makeup off before.
I think I was going. I was like, where are your wipes? Because you have your own wipes. I didn't say. I just took some baby wipes.
Okay. Never have I ever Googled baby sleep tips in the middle of the night. Well, that's me. Don't even don't raise that paper.
Oh yeah, now we both have to break the choice,
Never actually. Never.
Me too. Me never.
But there was a time I was so frustrated. Instead of Googling, I was praying. I was like, God, can this baby just sleep?
And I cannot relate because I sleep like a baby.
And God actually helped me now that at least I found a way to make him sleep for longer. Anyway.
Yes, he does better now.
Yeah. Never have I ever missed a scheduled doctor's appointment for the baby.
No.
Never. Don't miss such things.
We don't miss such things.
Never have I ever been surprised by how much baby gear I actually need. I've been surprised because when I was like 4 months pregnant already and everything, I didn't realize the amount of things you put on your baby registry. And the amount of things you actually now use.
Yeah, true.
In the baby registry. Babies are expensive.
Yes.
Anyway, never.
I want to say something in my head, but hey, I'm a new creation.
Never have I ever tried to soothe a crying baby with a song I made up on the spot. This thing
will wound you. I won't hook you. Never have I ever.
Never have I ever. It's so easy.
Never have I ever.
Wait, I will give you the questions now. So you knock yourself out.
It's not that hard now. Never have I ever.
Never have I ever.
No, never have I ever. Come on, I'm not like you.
You're not like
left
me.
Oduduwa a long time ago.
So it's me that's not
never have I ever.
You know, remember your roots. Remember the days of old.
We shall not forget those days.
When I was the one that was the good one. Well, I'm still the good one.
I think you're better. I'm better. It's fine. Like I said, the never have I ever. It's a very.
I never had the H factor issue. So please.
No problem. Let's move on.
Anyway.
Yes.
And never have I ever tried to soothe a crying baby with a song I made up on the spot. Okay. I have now.
I sing on the spot, on the steady.
Yeah.
On a regular.
All the time. Okay. Never have I ever had a meltdown because of a sleepless night. You better turn it to the right paper.
Okay.
Meltdown because of it.
Meltdown.
Yes.
Yes.
Like you were.
I have.
Due to sleepless nights?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Yes.
How many sleepless nights have you had?
You have much more, but I have.
Huh.
Oh, so you've never seen me wake up in the morning feeling like I barely
No. So like an actual meltdown, like you're just so stressed.
Anyway, it's fine.
It's fine. Emotionally
hey, you know what?
Take your stress. Take your stress. Because of how tired you are.
Take your stress. I'm the kind of person that even if I sleep for 2 hours and I have to get up,
exactly.
I won't complain.
You have not had a meltdown.
I won't complain. I will not have a meltdown. Doesn't mean that I don't have sleep interruptions. Hey, but it's fine.
How many sleep interruptions?
Hey, take your
for
stress.
The next 1 week.
Take your stress.
You're the one that will handle Joshua.
You want to own the stress? Take it.
No, I'm not any stress. Should you can handle 2 hours stress. Me that can handle 2 hours stress. Let me just enjoy myself.
The person that's talking, what happened this morning when you woke up by 5 a.m.?
That is the first time you're doing this in months.
Wait. Are we putting timelines to this? What happened this morning?
You wanted to talk about this morning.
This is supposed to be a game, not an argument. My lord, sir, own your stress. It's fine.
No, I want to release the stress for you now. So that since you can handle it 2 hours
it's absolutely fine. For you. I will take it, then you take all the stress that I'm also taking.
Do you? No.
Think to be a man is a small job.
Never have I ever used a baby monitor on my phone. Of course I have. These questions are just like
never.
I have. For me,
it's very partial. She came up with the questions, so what do you expect?
Never have I ever used a baby carrier in a situation where it wasn't needed. We have actually. We took a baby carrier to the beach.
Oh, that okay? Yeah. We didn't need it.
A baby stroller.
Actually.
To the beach.
But later realized that I've moved it
by dragging it instead of pushing it. But like my husband was trying to push it on the sand. You had to carry it. Oh my god.
Talk about Superman, Clark Kent.
Anyway, then never have I ever accidentally worn baby spit up on my clothes all day.
Sure.
Like, come on.
Sure. See, are you even a parent?
Like, are you even a parent if this doesn't happen to you? Because if it
doesn't happen to you, I'm not illegitimizing your parents.
But
come
my
on.
son spit
like
up.
Joshua has a gold medal in the last Olympics. The best baby with spit-offs.
Like, no. But now he's actually better. Yeah, in fact, he didn't wear a bib all through today.
When I see him even spit out, I'm surprised, man.
Yeah, because he has gotten more mature.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank God for growth.
Yeah, so never have I ever struggled with getting the car seat in correctly. I have. I feel like all these questions,
I've never.
Because you shift your seat all the way to the back. That's the only reason why it's stressing.
That's not the only reason. Let me remove the car seat and you set it up from scratch.
Okay, I think never, but taking him out when I have to put my hand like into you. Do you understand? Into that tight gap. So it's never actually. Getting him out is really easier. I was putting him in is really easier, but getting him out is really a bit difficult. Okay. Never have I ever forgotten to pack something essential for a baby's outing. I remember this one time.
Never, because I don't actually pack for him.
Yeah. The first outing that we had going to the doctor's appointment 2 days after birth, we didn't take the baby bag, I think.
Yes.
We didn't take the bag at all. So
it was a once bitten, twice tried situation.
Yeah, no diapers, no nothing.
They had to bring the diaper.
Yeah, they had to give us a diaper in the clinic. So we didn't have any change of clothes. So then someone told us that, oh, you have to actually take diapers, a change of clothes, everything inside your bag for the baby.
And it was just a one-time thing.
And it was a one-time thing. From then on, we were like, okay, this is real. Yep. Anyway, never have I ever used a pacifier as a quick fix for a crying baby.
It's giving
this because we don't, like, whenever he's crying, we know he's crying for a reason. So we try not to just shut him up with a pacifier.
Yes.
But the only times that we try to give him a pacifier when he's crying is when he's in the car seat. when
we're
he's
on
in
the
the car, when
journey
we're on the journey, the car is moving.
and he's refusing to be comforted.
Oh my
And
god.
most times he doesn't even take the pacifier because of the annoyance
he's
of
just
the
upset.
crying. Yes.
He's just upset. So he doesn't do too great in car seats. But now that he's getting older and more mature, and when he's like very rested, fed,
Yeah.
and you know.
We just try not to give him pacifier too much because we've seen how it could affect some babies. They could get so addicted to it that sometimes they don't even sleep without it.
Yeah.
And so we tried not to do that, and he's not so used to the pacifier, thankfully.
Yeah. Never have I ever made up a bedtime routine on the fly. I will say maybe I have at the beginning, but never right now. Because initially I didn't establish a routine, but just shortly after, maybe after like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I started a routine so that he'll start getting used to something. You know, I initially started with like changing his clothes, changing diaper, put him in a dark environment, adjust sleep. Something very simple, but I always have a routine for bedtime. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video as much as you enjoyed filming it. It started becoming like a context.
I did.
At a point, but it was really fun. Babe, I enjoyed filming this with you. Did you have fun?
I did, even though you were trying to take all the glory to yourself.
Yes.
When God said, all glory be to him alone, and his glory he will not share with any man. And you didn't take the questions that will make me take glory, you see? It's a very, very, very partial competition.
Yusuf, go and set question now.
Eh? Now, wow.
Anyway, guys.
Never have I ever carried the baby in my arms for long.
I have. I literally have like wrinkles from carrying him.
Story.
Anyway.
I'm looking for things that you've never done. Okay, good. You might have said you've done this like once. Never have I ever carried the baby in his car seat to the car or out of the car.
Oh, yes, I have.
When? How many times?
So many times.
No. Once or twice in your entire lifetime.
You know I've been going to church alone, right?
Oh, that's because I started that has happened only. Don't shout. This is not your glory moment. No. We've had this baby for 7 months. I only started going somewhere else for church like 3 times. And you used to have people in the house. You've never really done it by yourself. And that's your choice. That's your choice. And I could count that in my one finger. Yes, but the number of times I've carried this boy in his car seat,
but it's a matter of never have I ever. I have
and so even your own sleepless night thing is a matter of never have I ever, and I have. Yes.
Had a meltdown.
Whatever you would like to call it. Woken up and felt like I didn't sleep well tonight. That's meltdown for me. Yeah. All right. Anyway, guys, I think this video has long. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow us on all our social media platforms, and we'll see you in our next video.
All right, guys.
So till we come your way again,
keep loving
and keep believing.
We are
the Stalwart lovers.
Woohoo!